Well, it's time for us to go now. Maybe you'd like to dance.
Maybe you could move like an octopus or fly into outer space.
See you next time.
Bye. Boing, boing.
Hot? Bothered? Bored? Perk up your ears, kids. Bluey Listen Along is ready on the ABC Kids Listen app. All your favourites. Listen in the car, listen at bedtime, or just relaxing.
Wonderful! A real bud.
Bluey Listen Along. Listen now on the ABC Kids Listen app.
Hello there. Today...
Elmo loves how you said that, Grover. Hello there.
Oh, how kind of you to say. Today, Sesame Street is...
Grover's fur is really nice, really silky.
That is kind also, but I have to finish here, Elmo.
Oh, well, go ahead. You're very good at this.
Today, Sesame Street is all about... Oh, I forget.
Kindness, Grover.
Oh, yes, kindness. Thank you. That was very kind of you.
Oh, well, thank you.
Ooh, yeah, yeah. Sunny days sweeping the clouds away. On my way to where the air is sweet. Where the air is sweet. Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? How to get to Sesame Street?
So, kind Kalima carried all the twigs on her back to help her bird friend build a nest. Oh, hey there! Welcome to Sesame Street.
Hi.
Yeah, we're reading a book called Kind Kalima.
Yeah, she's a hippopotamus.
Yeah, and look at this. She is a very kind hippo. She's kind to all the other animals in the forest, like that little birdie up there.
Yeah, and we want to be kind too.
Hey, what's all the racket out here? Can't a grouch who's feeling sick get a little peace and quiet? Scram! Go away!
Well, going away doesn't really seem like a way to be kind.
Yeah, you know, kind Kalima says being kind means doing nice things for other people, you know, to show them that you care about them.
Well, then there's got to be something kind we can do for Mr. Oscar instead of going away.
Yeah, you know what? That's a good idea. Let's ask him. Come on. Oscar! Oh, Oscar!
What? Ever get the feeling you're in for a very long day? Don't you two know you shouldn't go around yelling at a guy's trash can when he's feeling sick? Who brought you up, bears?
Yeah.
No, well, monsters.
Figures.
We are trying to find out how we can be kind to you, Oscar.
Oh, you want to be kind to me, huh? Oh, that's easy. Leave me alone and go somewhere else. Oh, brother, this cold must be worse than I thought. I'm feeling really strange. Ugh.
But what do we do now, baby bear?
Well, we could, I don't know. I do not know, what we can do. You know, kind Kalima helps other forest animals, but, I don't see any other forest animals around here.
No, I wish someone like kind Kalima were here to show us how to be kind.
Yeah.
What? What did you just say?
We were just, discussing...
Hang on, I'm coming out.
Uh-oh.
So, you want to be kind, do you?
Yes?
Yeah, well, I got news for you. Being kind's not hard to do. Go ahead and give it a try. Say to yourself, what would I like if I was the other guy?
Huh?
Let's see if I can make it easier for you. If you saw a friend coming toward you, what would you want them to do? Wouldn't it be nice to hear them say, "Good morning, Elmo, how are you?"
How about what? Oscar? Is that you?
Yep, it's me.
Oh, well, hello. Elmo was playing catch, and then that happened.
Oh, Stuck in a tree, stuck in a tree. That's no problem. Leave it to me.
Eat it? What?
Ugh. See this, boys? Just keep it in mind. Helping's a way to be kind. Whee! Tra-la-la, twiddle-dee-dee. You can be kind like me, like me. You can be kind like me.
Thank you. Oscar.
Okay, Oscar is acting very strange. He's not grouchy.
Wait a minute. Rudy, did you use Abby's wand again?
No.
Oh,
Oscar, he just came out of his trash can and he started showing us how to be kind.
weird.
Oh, look, he's at Hooper's.
Oh, come on, let's go.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
If something's dirty, clean it up. Don't wait to be invited. When people see how nice it is, they're bound to be delighted. Oh, hold on, my friend. Not one step more. Allow me to hold the door.
Oscar?
Oh, Chris, are you okay?
I am, I think. Just a little surprised.
Why? Didn't you know there's kindness in everyone?
In theory, yes.
Tra-la-la, twiddle-dee-dee. You can be kind like me, like me. You can be kind like me. Nature is kind to us. It gives us beauty for all to share. So always be kind to nature. It's a way to show that you care. Drinky, drinky, darling daisies. Tra-la-la, twiddle-dee-dee. You can be kind like me, like me. You can be kind like me.
He's right.
Oscar's right.
It's easy to see. If a grouch can be kind, then so can we.
Yeah.
Oski? Oh, Oski, what are you doing up? I thought you were feeling sick.
Grunchetta!
Yeah.
Hugs! Come here, you.
Oscar! Oscar, stop that.
What?
We are grouches. We don't like hogs.
Fair enough. Well, tra-la, I'm off to spread more kindness. Come on, boys.
Oscar? Oh, Oscar! Oh, something is definitely wrong with him. I better go find out what.
There's lots of ways to show kindness. Let's all give it a try. Just say to yourself, what would I like if I was the other guy?
That's a girl.
Mr. Oscar?
Yeah, Rudy?
What do you mean, if I were the other guy?
For instance, do you want people to be mean to you? Or would you like them to be kind and friendly, too?
Kind and friendly?
Yeah, you know, we like it when people are kind to us, so we should be kind to them.
That's right.
Right. Just look around and you'll find there's lots of ways to be kind. Hey, hang on, boys. Watch the master in action.
He's a crackers.
Hey, why are you looking all sad in the face? What's the matter, little Zoekins?
Zoe kids? Well, I need to practice my duet, but there's no one to dance with me.
See that? If you see a person who needs help, don't turn around and run. Here's your chance to be kind to a friend. And who knows, you can even have some fun. Be right back. Ta-da!
Oscar?
Everybody dance!
Hey, Oscar is right. It is easy to be kind and fun, too.
Oscar's right, Oscar's right.
It's true.
It's easy to see. If a grouch can be kind, if a grouch can be kind, if a grouch can be kind, then so can we.
Yes, sirree.
Oh, where is he? Where is he?
Grunchetta, who are you looking for?
Oski, I just found out he has kinditis.
Kinditis?
Yes, I looked it up in this grouch medical book. You know how when you get sick, you feel kind of grouchy?
Right.
Well, when grouches get sick with kinditis, they start feeling all kind inside.
Oh, so that's what's happening. Oscar has kinditis.
Yes. Was he talking in rhymes?
Sometimes.
Oh, it is worse than I
helping Mrs. Crustworthy.
Oh, come on, hurry!
Oh, what a lovely tea party, boys.
Finger sandwich, anyone? I made them myself.
Oh, how delightful. Oh, what
Yeah.
a lovely selection.
Oh, Oski! Oski, there you are! Are you feeling okay?
Yeah, I'm feeling great. Doing kind things makes me feel good inside.
But, Oski, you're a grouch! You don't like feeling good inside!
Oh, I guess I am feeling a little pooped now that you mention it.
Well, let me take you back to the trash can. I'll make you a nice hot bowl of oatmeal and sardines.
Oh, you're so kind. Time for hugs. Oh.
I suppose there's no chance he'll stay like this, right?
Don't worry, it's just a 24-hour bug. He'll be back to his old grouchy self before you know it. Oh,
I had a feeling she'd say that.
Let's go to the laundromat and clean some clothes.
get off me!
Young man, that kind, rumpled green gentleman just left. Who's going to help me clean up after my tea party?
Oh, don't worry, Mrs. Crustworthy. We can do it.
Yeah.
We can be kind like kind Kalima.
Oh, no, like kind Oscar.
Yes, like kind Oscar.
Oh,
Kind Oscar. Wow. Well, I guess it's true. We all have a little kindness inside us. Even Oscar.
well, let's start the party. Now, young Rudith, would you care for a finger sandwich? Right, this one or this one?
Did you see a kind moment? Let's remember together.
Stuck in a tree, stuck in a tree. That's no problem. Leave it to me. Ugh. See this, boys? Just keep it in mind. Helping's a way to be kind. Whee! Tra-la-la, twiddle-dee-dee. You can be kind like me, like me. You can be kind like me.
Thank you. It's kind to help a friend in need. Thank you. Now go do something kind. Jump up, get down, come dance with down now. We're moving our body to the ABCs. Dance nearby, wow, dance far away. Now clap your hands to the letter of the day. Clap, clap. What's the letter? Clap, clap. What's the letter? Clap, 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 clap. What's the letter?
What's the letter? What's the letter? What's the letter? What's the letter?
The letter of the day is K. It's the letter of the day. It's the letter of the day. It's the letter. It's the letter. It's the letter of the day. It's the letter of the day. It's the letter of the day.
There's a word I know and it starts with K. That word is kindness, hear me when I say K is for kindness, a simple word, it's true. But it's amazing what a word can do, can do. Amazing what a word can do. When you help someone in need,
That's kindness.
when you plant a little seed,
That's kindness.
when you give a pal a hug,
That's kindness.
Gently hold a ladybug.
that's kindness too. And when you try a little kindness, 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 and help someone for real, you might be surprised to realize how good it makes you feel when you try a little kindness.
Kindness, kindness,
When you
kindness.
try a little kindness, yeah.
That's kindness.
When you listen and stay calm,
Me like food. Gonger make food.
I'll make food.
Place you order if you lucky. We make food in our foodie truck. Oh, the alarm! We got it!
I got it.
Hi, Cookie Monster. Hi, Gonger. I'm Aman, and I need your help. It's hot, and I want to do something kind and make something cold I could share with my friends. Can you help me, please?
Of course we can help you, because we are Monster Foodies! Okay, me got lots of ideas for cold food. Oh, look at this. Oh boy, me got ice cubes. Brain freeze. Me got brain freeze.
That's give me an idea. We can make fruit smoothies to share.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Yeah. Okay, what we need to make smoothies?
Oh, yeah. Let's see what we got. Okay. We need ice cubes, frozen blueberries, frozen strawberries, and the banana.
Okay. Nice cold smoothie ready to share.
Well, Cookie, wait. It's not ready yet. We need the milk.
Milk? You sure about that?
Yes.
Okay, well, in that case, me got some bad news.
You drank the milk.
Yes.
Oh, that's okay. We can get more.
We can? Oh, how?
Oh, milk comes from the cows.
That's crazy! From cows? Oh, how they do that?
You see. Come on.
Okay. I'm curious how it comes from a cow. To the dairy farm! We're going to the dairy farm. Hello, little dairy farmer. Can you help us, please? We need milk for our cool fruit smoothies.
Hi, Cookie Monster. Hi, Gonger. Welcome to my family's dairy farm. This is where we take care of the cows that make milk. Milk comes from the cow's udder. Sometimes we milk cows by hand, but most of the time we use a machine to milk the cow. Then it gets stored in a tank and sent to the dairy plant in a truck. We keep it cold the whole time so it stays fresh, healthy, and delicious. The dairy plant puts it in bottles and cartons and sends it to the grocery store. Milk makes your bones and teeth strong and healthy, and it's good for making things like cool fruit smoothies.
Thanks for visiting. Bye-bye.
Thank you, farmer.
Toodaloo.
Thank you, cows. We got milk from the dairy farm. Oh, goody. We got the milk to make the fruit smoothies.
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna check the recipe.
Okay.
Okay, Cookie, you put in the ice cube.
Ice cubes going in.
Oh, yeah. And then we're gonna get some frozen blueberries.
Frozen blueberries? You drop one, but that's okay.
That's okay. And then the frozen strawberries.
Okay, here are the frozen strawberries. Oh,
Yeah.
boy.
And now the chopped banana.
Chopped banana. Hiya. Chopped banana going in.
Good job.
Here come the milk.
Now it's time to blend it. It's ready.
Order up. Sayonara smoothie.
Toodaloo. Oh, Cookie Monster.
Yeah.
I got this nice for you.
Oh, thank you, Gonger.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thanks, Cookie Monster. Thanks, Gonger. It was very kind of you to make these for us. These smoothies are a great and healthy snack for sharing. Bye.
You're welcome, Amen. Yeah! Happy Yummy Monsters to the rescue. We make yummy food just for you. Yum, 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 dum-dee-dee-dum. How many cookies are there today?
Yum, 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 dum-diddy-dum. How many cookies today?
While they still baking,
Bake, 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 bake.
let's do some shaking.
Shake, 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 shake. Bake, 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 bake. Shake, shake. How many cookies today?
While they still baking, let's do some more shaking.
Shake, 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 shake. Bake, 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 bake. Shake, shake. How many cookies today?
Meeting they're ready.
Everybody steady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Cookies! Nom 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 nom. That's how many cookies there were today. 11.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Elmo's full of wonder, wonder what he will discover in Elmo's wonderful world. Hi! Welcome to Elmo's world. Oh, that's what Elmo is wondering about today. Wait for it. Wait for it. Boy, he looks sad. But a friend is giving him a flower. Oh, boy, that's so kind. Kindness. Yeah. Oh, Elmo wants to find out more. Hey, let's ask Elmo's friend, Smarty. Let's ask it together. Oh, Smarty!
I'm here. Here I am.
Oh, hi, Smarty.
Hiya, Elmo.
Why is Smarty facing backwards?
Because I didn't want to ruin the surprise. Surprise! I drew a picture of us.
Elmo loves it, Smarty. Boy, that's so kind. Oh, and that's exactly why Elmo called. Elmo wants to learn more about kindness.
Well, what do we do to learn something new?
We
look it up. Let's see. Searching for kindness. Kindness is doing nice things to show you care. There are lots of ways to be kind. Like taking turns. Or sharing. Or showing that you care by helping clean up and taking care of the environment. Or my personal favorite, giving hugs.
That's Elmo's favorite, too. Oh, thank you for your help, Smarty.
You're welcome, Elmo. Well, I'm off to volunteer at the old folks' home.
Oh, that's so kind of you.
Yeah, I really get a charge from it.
Thank you, Smarty. Bye-bye. Hey, that gives Elmo an idea. Oh, let's play a game together. Yeah, come on, come on. Hey, let's do something kind for Dorothy. Oh, let's help Dorothy find her food.
Go up. Yeah, up. Go up, Dorothy.
Great! Now which way should Dorothy go?
Go down. Yeah, down. Too far.
Uh-oh! Dorothy went too far!
Go back, Dorothy. Now go up.
That's it! Keep going! Dorothy did it!
Yay!
And it looks like Dorothy sure was hungry. Bye-bye, Dorothy. Boy, Elmo loves to help his friends. That's one of Elmo's favorite ways to be kind. Hey! Elmo wonders, what does Mr. Noodle do to be kind? Hey, let's go ask him. Oh, Mr. Noodle! It's Mr. Noodle's brother, Mr. Noodle. Hi, Mr. Noodle. Mr. Noodle, what are your favorite ways to be kind?
That's juggling.
Oh, Elmo thinks you're a great juggler, but...
That's not being kind.
Oh, well, you got it? Okay, what?
Hey, he's dancing with the ribbon.
Mr. Noodle, that's not being kind either. What? What's your idea?
Look at that. He's doing a card trick.
Oh, that's very nice, Mr. Noodle. Uh-huh. Very nice. But, you know, that's an impressive trick, but Mr. Nimrod, that's not being kind either.
No, that's not being kind.
Oh, boy. Oh, no, Mr. Noodle made a mess.
Hey, he's helping clean
You
up.
did it, Mr. Noodle. You showed us kindness by cleaning up. Bye, Mr. Noodle. Learning new things makes Elmer so happy that makes him want to dance. Come on. Happy, happy, dance, dance. Happy, happy, dance, dance. When we learn something new, we do that happy dance, dance. Let's see your happy dance. Yeah, cool. See you next time. Keep learning. Elmer loves you. Happy, happy, dance, dance. Happy, happy, dance, dance. When we learn something new, we do that happy dance, dance. Yay!
Well, I hope you had fun finding out about kindness today.
I don't. I hope you had a lousy time.
Osco, you're not sick anymore.
That's right. It's great to feel rotten again.
See you next time on Sesame Street.
In other words, scram!
Now that's the Osco we know and love.
We love you, Oscar.
Yeah.
Don't say that.
We love
What
you.
are you doing?
I love this guy.
No!
Osco. Mwah.
Come on and move your body and use your mind, 'cause you know you are growing all the time. You're getting smart.
On Monday, Big Bird and his mates are moving to the new daily time of 11 a.m. Or watch Sesame Street anytime on ABC iView.
Every day
You're getting smarter, stronger, kinder. On Sesame Street, stronger, kinder. On Sesame Street, yeah!
Check it out! A new friend has arrived on Kangaroo Beach.
What's this do? What's that? And who's under that hat? A crab, how cool! Do fish really go to school? I want one. So tall. I can't wait to do it all. Slip slopping on the hot sands. Beach birds singing in a bird band. So much fun. Under the sun. I can't wait to do it all. Hey, Spike! Frizzy!
Get to know new cadet Spike
G'day, gang.
when new Kangaroo Beach launches January 20 on ABC Kids.
Welcome all to the Kitty Corn Ball, where every kitty corn gets a chance to shine. Take it away, girls! As you all know, kitty corns love fashion, style, and expressing themselves. So it's our honor to introduce the new class of kitty corns. First up, the cool and classic Clover, bringing it in a boa! The notoriously nice Nori, sporting the biggest bow of the ball. And last but not least, Pippa? Pippa! Where'd you go? Stay tuned. We're having a bit of a fashion emergency. There she is! Oh, what's the matter, Pippa?
Are you having trouble finding your fashion look? You know, sometimes you can't quite find what you're looking for. But if you keep an open mind, you might find fun ideas where you least expect them.
We've got some hungry people out there. Is the fashion show ready to continue?
We're almost ready, Nala. Pippa is just looking for inspiration.
Pippa!
You might find fun ideas where you least expect them, like right here.
Oh my glitter, Pippa! They're going to love it! Let's get you to the runway. Sorry for the delay. The final kitty corn of the evening is the very pretty and pioneering Pippa!
They're the experts at play.
Thank you very much.
And they're dedicated to making your day.
This is a dream come true.
Singing, dancing, and having fun. You can dig it, man. Play School. Watch it now on ABC iView.
Giggle and hoot. Giggle and hoot.
Oh, look, Pirate Beard! Is that the Pirate Magic Lift button?
Oh, yar, Pirate Jimmy Giggle!
Ooh, let's push it. Whoa! Pirates in the Magic Lift, ahoy there! What party things have you found?
Oh, we found the pirate ship key!
Oh, I need the pirate ship key to start the pirate ship.
And we found the pirate ship anchor, too!
Pirate Beard, you'll need the pirate ship anchor to stop the pirate ship.
Yar, I will, Pirate Jimmy Giggle.
Wait, I've got an idea. How about we take all these piratey things to the Flying Giggle ship? Let's go!
Fantastic wings!
Oh, we never had pirate ships like this in my day.
Oh, here we go!
Flying in our giggle ship, we can go anywhere. Flying in our giggle ship, here we go. Over mountains, over sands, over treetops, over lands. Flying in our giggle ship, we can go. Here we go. Flying up so very high, traveling through the sky. Here we go. In our giggle ship, here we go.
Get ready for fishy tales and real adventures.
I'm Tiddler.
It's Julia Donaldson's story of a little underwater dreamer.
I like Tiddler's story.
Tiddler, Wednesday 5:10 on ABC Kids. Hot? Bothered? Bored? Perk up your ears, kids. Bluey Listen Along is ready on the ABC Kids Listen app. All your favourites. Listen in the car, listen at bedtime, or just relaxing.
Wonderful.
A real vibe. Bluey Listen Along. Listen now on the ABC Kids Listen app.
You guys are my real BFFs. Everyone knows that. Hi, BFF. I hope you like this little present. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Let's go.
Be our friend forever, our best friend forever and ever. Be our friend forever, our best friend forever and ever. To our new BFF. For you see, if you be our friend forever, it would be too cool to be for real. So if you are our friend, you see, and I will be, and you know I'll be too, and I'll make 3. I'll be your best friend too. Be our friend forever, our best friend forever and ever. Be our friend forever, our best friend forever and ever.
Well, BFFs, what do you think?
OMG, we could be best friends forever. It would be too cool to be for real. So friends forever we shall be. And I will be, and you know I'll be too. And I'll make 3. We'll be best friends too.
Whoa, did that just come out of me?
No.
Want more of the Littlest Pet Shop pets? Check out littlestpetshop.com.
The cadets are swapping the surf for a mountain adventure.
You should totally join us!
The Kangaroo Beach Mountain Mystery Special. Watch it now on ABC iView.
Whoa! Deadly!
Good morning, Eddie.
Morning!